wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best infrared thermometers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Mastercall 52224 offers a measurement range of between -58 and 932 degrees Fahrenheit and has an auto shut-off function that activates after 15 seconds of inactivity. It comes with a plastic storage case to protect it. The batteries last for up to 14 hours and it can display in Fahrenheit or Celsius. However, it's not as accurate as its competition. At number 9, whether it's for electrical troubleshooting, automotive diagnostics, or calibrating outdoor grilling equipment, the Amprobe IR730 is a worthy contender. Its ability to display the current, maximum, and minimum temperatures make hot and cold spots easy to locate. It's good for thermal leak detection and comes with a tripod mount, but setup is a bit cumbersome. Coming in at number 8 on our list. In addition to standard infrared emissions, the Klein Tools IR10 can also use a K-type thermocouple probe to measure bulk temperatures of various gases and liquids. Its audible and visual alarms go off when the readings fall outside of a preset range. It's equipped with dual targeting lasers and an ergonomic trigger. However, the battery cover is hard to remove. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for infrared thermometers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Fluke 59 Max Plus fits into most toolboxes and can run continuously for up to 12 hours on a single AA battery. Its large backlit LCD is easy to read when working in dark environments. Unfortunately, the instruction manual isn't very helpful. It can withstand drops from 1 meter and comes with an attractive black and yellow case, but its measurement range is narrow. Moving up our list to number 6. With its bright color display, intuitive user interface, compact design, and 30:1 distance to spot ratio, the FLIR TG56 Spot provides an efficient way of collecting and interpreting data for particularly small targets from a safe distance. It includes a lanyard for your wrist and a manual on CD. However, it takes a while to start up. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Sovocate HS960D comes in at an affordable price with a Fresnel lens which focuses the light from its red laser into a narrow beam and an efficient temperature sensor. The battery is easy to replace and it includes a meat thermometer too, but it's not very durable. At number 4, thanks to its small and lightweight design, the Fluke 62 Max Plus clips unobtrusively onto a tool belt, keeping it easily accessible. It can withstand a drop from up to 9 feet. It's water and dust resistant with a 12:1 distance to spot ratio. However, the instructions are confusing. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, combining a 500 millisecond response time with adjustable emissivity and dual laser pointers, the industrial-grade Enologic ET650D is a dependable choice for accurately detecting areas of heat loss or checking the performance of your cooking appliances. It's backed by a 10-year warranty and includes a built-in memory and a storage holster. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for infrared thermometers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, capable of scanning, holding, and recording data, while also calculating the average temperature of the space between 2 measurement points, the E-Tech City Laser Grip 630 is a good choice for monitoring home appliances and identifying electrical problems. It features an auto shut-off function and a fast response time, and it works on wood and marble surfaces. And coming in at number 1 on our list, whether you're checking motors, breakers, wires, or radiant heating, the versatile Fluke 561 can get the job done. Its 2-in-1 design enables it to function as both a non- and direct contact measurement tool, making it a good choice for industrial and HVAC applications. It's equipped with a large backlit LCD and a thermocouple pipe probe. It is very easy to use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for infrared thermometers, or simply click beneath this video.